The next section addresses how and when is an appropriate time to call on the academic fieldwork coordinator. First and foremost, if you ever have a question about a difficult student situation, or any questions at all, do not hesitate to call the academic fieldwork coordinator. Academic fieldwork coordinators have lots of resources available to help in challenging student situations. They are ready to advise the fieldwork educator on how to go about a situation and find solutions to any problems that are occurring. The key is to remember that it is always better to address the situation earlier rather than later. The academic fieldwork coordinator is familiar with the course objectives for the experience and has a knowledge of the student's educational background. It is also important to document the challenges with the student. Some educators may not realize that documenting challenges is important for both parties. The academic fieldwork coordinator can help the educator create a learning contract, if necessary. The learning contract identifies specific areas in which the student desires or needs further growth. It addresses the time frame, learning activities, and projected outcome. This is a tool that can really assist a struggling student with being successful on fieldwork. The University of Toledo Academic Fieldwork Coordinator makes a point to contact each fieldwork educator after 3 weeks of Level 2 fieldwork to check in and make sure everything is going well. Although not all academic fieldwork coordinators regularly contact sites as early as 3 weeks, all educational institutions are expected to communicate with the fieldwork site regarding student progress. Ideally, it is best to identify any potential problems early so that a plan can be put into place to help the student succeed in the allotted time given during Level 2 fieldwork. It is important that, even if the academic fieldwork coordinator has not already called or emailed to check in, that fieldwork educators feel comfortable and do not hesitate to call the academic fieldwork coordinator with any questions or concerns, because the longer the problem goes unaddressed, the more difficult it will be to have a successful outcome in the end for both parties.